Can somebody just explain to me why me and this ring cannot be deported from each other?
Yeah.
Okay, Tasha. Okay, Tasha.
What's up, YouTube? It is Okay, Tasha. It is cleaning day for me. I really only get one day out of the week to do my chores, make sure my room is clean, kitchen, get everything together. So I have been struggling trying to get one particular thing clean. So I am going to tackle that today. It's a hard job. It's a nasty job. Nobody wants to do it, but who else is going to do it besides me? So let's not waste any more time. Oh yeah, subscribe, click the bell so you can get notifications when I drop a new video. Like, share, comment, all of that good stuff. But let's go in this dungeon. I'm afraid. Look at this toilet. Look at that ring. I am sick and tired of that ring. Okay, so I'm about to show you guys what cleaning products I use. Well, the ones that I'm using for this clean. I use other things that's not working, so I'm trying something new. Make sure you let me know in the comments what cleaning products you use for your toilet to make sure it doesn't have that ring, because apparently I am picking all the wrong products. Okay, so I am going to spray some Clorox bathroom cleaner, just some bathroom cleaner. I want to spray that in there. Then I have the Kaboom OxiClean Stain Fighters. So this should really, really work. I've already tried this and okay, and we're here. Just gonna say that. And then I have the Clorox Toilet Bowl Cleaner Cleansing Bleach Gel. It says 5 times cleaning action. Cleans 50% longer, destroys tough stains. We gonna see how that goes. I'm gonna let all of that sit for like an hour. Yeah, hopefully I can use the other bathroom if I need to go. Okay, and then I have these Clorox tablets that goes into the septic tank part of it. Is that the septic tank? You know, the back part of the commode. You know, well, I'm supposed to drop that in there, and when you flush, it's supposed to, you know, the water that comes out, you know, blah, blah, blah. Secret. I have one in there right now. I still have a ring, but I already had one left, so I'm going to use it again. And then, I think this is so old school. So how many of you guys have these? Tell me. Tell the truth. How many of y'all have one of these? I have a bag full of like 50 cents. The Bowl Fresh Toilet Bowl Deodorizer. I just like the way it smells. It makes the bathroom smell like a bathroom though, but I don't care. I like it. Okay. And then I got a scrub. Scrub. I got a scrub. All right. And what? Y'all thought I was gonna put my hands in that old dirty toilet? Y'all got to be crazy. Birdman hand rub. Let's go. Are you ready for me?
Stand, one shall fall.
I can't breathe. Somebody should have told me to get a mask. see if that helps. I'm so close to calling somebody. Safe to say the toilet one. I don't know. I just don't know what else to do. Gonna have to just call somebody to come take a look at it. Look at me. I was already looking rough before the video started. I look like I done been through hell and back trying to get this toilet clean. That was hard to do. It was most definitely hard to record it and let other people see me do that. But I mean, it's life. There's some things that we have to tackle in life that we don't want to, but we do. So it's kind of a lesson. I may have helped someone that is having an issue or, you know, something like that with their toilet. I don't know. I don't know how I would help them because I failed at mine. It came out just a little bit cleaner. It did come out a little bit cleaner, so I will give myself some credit on that. But it did not come out as clean as I wanted to. But oh well, you win some, you lose some, and then you pay someone. But again, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Click the bell for notifications when I drop another video. Comment, like, and share. Thank you guys for stopping by once again. Bye.